take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which of the following individual is considered a 5% shareholder for the purpose of Section 381? So we need to know who's a 5% shareholder in for Section 382. Why? Because we have to look at those 5% shareholder and look at the change in their ownership. And if that change exceeds more than 50% in a particular period, then we have Section 382, which limit the NOL that can be used carried forward. Well, let's take a look at the answers. A shareholder who owns 4% throughout the entire testing or look back period. Well, it should be easy elimination. We're saying 5% shareholder. So if somebody owns always 4%, they're not going to be considered 5% in any definition measure. So I would say A is an easy elimination. A shareholder who initially owns 3% and later increased it to 6% during the testing period. Would this be a 5% shareholder? And the answer is yes. This will be counted and the change is 3%. So this shareholder is counted. Why? Because they exceed the 5% after they purchase an additional 3. Therefore, the change is 3. So we will count the change as 3. So between A and B, I'm going to keep B. A shareholder who owns 2 and increased it to 4, below 5, we're out. A shareholder who owns 1 and never exceeds 5, out. The answer is B. The answer is B. Now, what can you do if you're using Farhat Lectures? You can ask the AI, Farhat AI, to explain the topic. So what's a 5% shareholder? Expand on the correct and incorrect answer and create a similar MCQ to help you test your knowledge. What should you do now? Whether you are a CPA, accounting student, enrolled agent, the best investment you can make is go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional lectures, resources. Don't shortchange yourself. Invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.